Now, let's start with the structure now. The first thing, when you are presenting your report, now I'm not talking about proposal. Now you have your proposal already, your proposal has been approved, and you have to make your design. Now you want to present your report. So we need to look at the structure of the way your report should be written, be it final year project reports, technical reports, or any other report. Now the structure is such that you will have a title page. So for the title page, we have the topic of the project you are working on. As a case study today, we are looking at wireless charging system as a case study. So the topic will now be wireless charging system for your title page. Not that alone is what you have on your title page. On your title page, you are also going to have what is called, you are going to have, one of the structure also after the title page, the next page, you are still going to have what is called the abstract. We are going to look at what is meant by abstract today and how to write an abstract. Many students, they do know how to write abstract. It is very, very unfortunate that many students today, even many publishing house today, after you must have submitted a journal to them for publication, during the course of their editing, they will still be making mistakes that students are making. Yeah, I remember I submitted a journal to one of the publishing firm. They published the journal. I tried to correct them that when you are writing abstract, you don't put reference. So these are some of the things that we need to know when we are presenting the technical report. They included it and they rubbished the whole journal. So these are some of what we are looking at. How do we write our abstract? And not that alone, we have the content now. Then after that, we have the introduction. When you're talking about the content, that is, what are those things that you want to address? Number one, you need to write, each of the content, maybe chapter one is this, chapter 1.1, chapter 1.2. You just put that one, chapter two, you write it, chapter three, you know the that is the content. Then the introduction, now we have the introduction, and after the introduction we have the body of your report. After the body of the report, we have what is called the conclusion and recommendations. Then after the conclusion and recommendation, you now have references. So I want us to know that today to write technical report is very, very easy, and even to cite a technical report, because there are a lot of tools on internet that you can use to cite your work, that will make your reference to be very, very okay without giving yourself any stress. So now let's take a look at that is reference. Now let's now take a look at the appendices. There might be a need for you to put the appendices, like as well, some of the pictures that you get, the code and what have you. All this can go also into your appendices. So now let's take a look at some of the things that we need to know. We need to understand that the title should indicate exactly what the report is about. The title should indicate exactly what the report is about. Like the one I have just said now. The title of the project is wireless charging system. Simple. Design and implementation of 150-watt solar panel system. It might be that. It might be investigation of behavior of microstrip antennas. It might be that. Then it might be another topic. It might be critical analysis of uh, critical analysis of project, agile project management. It might not be that. It might be the effect of environmental factor of quality of telecommunication service in Lagos area, Nigeria. So that is the topic. The topic must be well written and it must be concise. So after you must have written your topic correctly, so you need to now go for some other things that are follow. So you have to tell the reader the general topic and the specific aspect of the topic addressed in the report, and that is that. Then assignment one, engineering design report, for instance. So we have to write that. So the title page, for our title page, this is what you have in your title page. In your title page, I've said it, the first thing is title on the title page, followed by the author. Wireless charging system, Oluwaseun Chijioke Azan. That is the author. Then after that, we have the unit name, uh, eh, National Diploma Project or Assignment 1. Then after that, we now have the submission date, 14th May 2023. So that is the title page. But I want us to know that this is not sacrosanct. Different schools come up with different templates when it comes to writing a project report or writing a technical report. But on the general note, this is the format that we have. But if your school come up with another template, you can also use those templates to write your your project title page.